Hello, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to perform the subtotal function in Excel. Basically, the subtotal function in Excel is used to perform the calculations on a range of values while ignoring other subtotal and similar functions within that range. This can be particularly useful when you have a list of values and you want to calculate various statistics. For example, sum, average, count, without considering other subtotals or filtered data. So this is our data sheet. Here I will tell you how to perform the subtotal function. First of all, I would calculate the sum of a data range. Let me select from R4 till R100 and close the bracket. So this is the total of values or of a range that are between row 1, row this, till row 100. So I apply the subtotal function again for the same range of values that are R4. I'm sorry, first of all, here you have to select the function, double click, and then comma, and selecting the range. I will select the same range I selected for the sum. Enter. Here you can see that the sum for both of the functions, like sum is this one, and for subtotal it is the same value. Now we come to learn then what is the difference between sum and sum total. Just like I told you that in subtotal we want to know what is the sum or what is the total of values that are shown on the sheet. For example, here I filter some values. I filter and want to know only the total or the sum of the sales data that come from furniture, and I click on OK. Here you can see that now we have the subtotal of all sales data that belongs to category furniture, but the value in the sum function is same as it was before. Now I want to change the category. Let me change it to office supplies. You can see again that the subtotal of the values that belong to office supplies have been changed, but the sum of all of the values or the sum of the sales data from all departments remains the same. My friends, I hope you understand what is subtotal and why we calculate the subtotal function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video tutorial.